Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video I want to talk about the power of drip marketing. So what is drip marketing? Drip marketing is a term which originated from the word drip irrigation, where you go ahead and irrigate the plants or the vegetables in drops. So it becomes highly efficient and the water is released over a period of time in very small quantities. So we call it drip marketing because you are going to go ahead and give out content to your subscribers in a periodic basis, and each and every piece of content is designed to market your brand or product a little bit, at the same time provide value and create brand recall in your customers' minds. When you look at the concept of brand recall, you would have observed that a lot of brands that you know do brand repetition. Why? Because that's how you will remember the brand. Whether you are looking at a banner on the road, or whether you are watching a TV ad or a magazine ad, once you start seeing the same brand again and again, then you will start recalling the brand better and better. And that creates a lot of brand equity and brand value in the minds of consumers. So, drip marketing also does the same function, but the benefit of drip marketing is that the repetition is not boring. When you see an ad banner on the road, or when you see an ad banner on the web, or you see a YouTube ad or a TV ad, the ad itself cannot deliver any value. However, when it comes to drip marketing, you can deliver value through your ads. So I will show you one of the drip marketing campaigns I have created, and I will show you how it works. So here you can see I have landing pages and forms, and one of the most important landing pages is called the 100-day lead generation course. People sign up for this course and most of them pay for it. I am selling this particular course for 99 rupees, but once in a while I also give it out as a free lead magnet. So here, if you go ahead and look at this particular landing page, you can see that people can enter their name and email ID. And once they enter their name and email ID, they will start getting emails starting as soon as they enter the name and email ID for the next 100 days. And that's what I have created. In fact, if you are watching this video right now, I have given the link to this particular landing page below this video, and you will be able to go ahead and sign up for this for free. I used to sell this for 1000 rupees, then I was selling it for 500 rupees. I was selling it for a while at 99 rupees, but if you are watching this video, you can get it for free. And it teaches you lead generation in a very in-depth way. So here you can see I have configured 100 emails in sequence, and each and every email goes after one day. So day 5, day 6, day 7, and each and every piece of content is unique content which I have written myself, and it has taken more than 6 months for me to finish writing this course. It's almost like a book because it has more than 50,000 words. So here you can see it goes all the way up to the 100th day. So here you can see all the way up to 100th day it has gone. And if I go ahead and look at the reports, you will be able to see that this particular email campaign has some insane open rates. You can see a very large number of sends, 24,000, 24,000, 24,000, and so on. And look at the open rates, 75%, 55%, 51%. Obviously, the open rates will drop a little bit as you go forward. But even if you go to, let's say, day 40, the open rate is 24.4%, which is unheard of in the industry. And that too at high volumes, like 23,000 subscribers have received it. I will go all the way down to the 100th day, 28% open rate. 97th day, 20% open rate. 84th day, 21% open rate. I basically do not see anything less than 20% open rate in this particular sequence. and this has worked wonders for me. I have been able to convince customers to join very high-end programs because they have got so much value out of this particular course and they have enjoyed this course completely. Just by giving out a free course, I am able to engage people for the next 100 days. Imagine if you go ahead and sign up for this, I will be sending you email for the next 100 days, and every day for the next 100 days you are going to remember me, Deepak Kanagaraju or Digital Deepak. And this is not like repetition of ads, right? This is actual value. So this is content marketing. This is pure content marketing, but wrapped in email, wrapped in drip marketing. And that is why this is so powerful. And this is not even video content. This is just text content, right? But very, very high quality text content, which I have written it myself. So that's about it for this particular video. I hope this video helped you learn about drip marketing very clearly. And I hope you sign up for this 100-day lead generation course and also learn how to create your own drip marketing campaigns for very, very powerful brand building. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.